Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use Google Assistant on your XIAOMI Smart L1 projector. If you already have Google Assistant enabled, then you can simply press on the microphone button below the power button on the remote. You can see now it opens the assistant, but in order to talk to it, you actually need to press and hold and speak until you release the button. So I'll try to ask it a question later on. I'll show you how to enable Google Assistant if you have it disabled. What's the weather in Kraków? And you can see it gives me the full answer with everything. It opens Google Weather basically. If you want to enable Google Assistant, click on the settings button on your remote and then go to all settings. Now go to privacy and find Google Assistant. You can enable or disable voice controls. You can also change permissions here for Google Assistant. You can basically click on that button and it doesn't do anything. Okay. You can enable personal results. These personal results may include some data from your Google account. So in order to be able to use it, you'll need to set up the PIN. So it's not that not really that easy here. So I'll just omit that, I think, or okay, I can't. Or let's try to go back. I'll omit the personal results, but feel free to enable those if you want. And you can enable searchable apps, like in my case there's Live TV and Netflix, and that lets you, for example, ask it to play a certain show on Netflix by saying the name of the show, so you don't have to type it in manually in Netflix. You can also enable Safe Search filter, which will hide some graphic content and X-rated content, and that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.